Get in front, Maya. Where are we? We are at the Blue Lagoon. I think it's like 8:20. Checking off something on our bucket list. I'm so excited. We finally made it to the Blue Lagoon. It's freezing, look. We're all checked in. They gave us our towels and everything, and now we're headed to lockers to get changed and see what this lagoon, see what the hype is about. You know what the hype is about. So we're saving a little bit of money by getting a pizza from Domino's. That's pretty cool to me. I'm so tired. So we are staying at this apartment rental thing. It's like a studio apartment style, I guess. It's called Bold Holt. And it's just like these two little beds. And then it has a little mini kitchen going on over here. And yeah, we're about to go to sleep. Hello everyone! So we got a late start on today because...
No, I already know you said my name.
I didn't say that. But this is our first time driving in the snow! Right now we're doing the Golden Circle. Our first stop is we're going to a national park, but there's low-key like, it's like low-key hella snowing and a little bit of a blizzard like. I don't know really what this is. We're at a standstill because somebody's getting their car towed or there was a little bit of an accident on the road. So it's kind of crazy. We're just like out in the middle of nowhere with white snow everywhere.
I'm nervous.
Looks like some cars are starting to move towards our way. All the backed up cars, so they're gonna let us go, I guess. So yeah, we're just starting the Golden Circle. Come with us in the snow.
If no be you, then tell me who. Robo scare, robo yes scare. Nobody messing with.
We decided to stop on the side of the road because this one is so cute. Okay, so we just saw a whole bunch of people parked. Oh shit! Oh! You got it. Yeah. So we just saw a whole bunch of people parked in a tour group on the side of the road. People were on the road, so we were like, what's going on down there? Right? Hey. Oh, you look real prepared. I love it.
Scenes here for Game of Thrones.
I know. I'm so excited. Wait, is this the one with the veil?
That's right.
That's this?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Sorry, I'm like obsessed. Oh, what's You think it's hella good? Ah! Oh that's what just happened to me when I was over there. Okay, so that was pretty cool to see like the Game of Thrones scene locations. That was actually one of the things I planned on doing and I honestly forgot about it. We just so happened to see people standing there. But we kept driving a little bit and saw this little rest stop. So we're just gonna go in here, pee, see if we want to buy some snacks, and then continue with the tour. don't know if it's anything I want though. So now we just found a little horse farm. It is so cute. They're trying to be in the vloggy vlog. What's good? So you know how usually on people's vlogs they never show you the struggles and the bad parts of what's going down with whatever they're doing. We literally made it to the geyser. We are here. I'm standing at the walkway to the geyser. She drove on top of, like, first of all, this car is so tiny, and she drove, like, tried to drive through the snow like it was a 4x4 car, and so now we're stuck. Maya walked over there somewhere, and if you see the smoke, that is literally the geyser. They literally just helped us get out of there. Oh my God. We got out. We made it out. How did you find them, Maya?
Oh my God! I went to the counter. There was 2 retail girls.
Mm-hmm.
That was extra nice, and I was just like, me and my pregnant sister were stuck.
Yes, pregnancy.
And there were these people from Reykjavik that would come and help us with
From
this.
Reykjavik?
And they said they charge a lot. So then they were like, well, there is this guy who usually works here. They were looking for him, and he randomly came up to the counter, and he was just like, what's going on? They were like, okay. And I was like, all we need is a shovel or something. And the lady came back and she was like, so do you think we can be able to push the car? And I was like, yeah, I think all we need is the push, and it will come out, you know?
Yeah.
And so then he came back, and then he was like, okay, I have a shovel. He got some guys.
Look at God. Thank you, God.
Thank you. We're not taking any more chances.
Oh my God. Thinking that we are in a 4x4. That was pretty cool. Because we got stuck in the snow and lost a little bit of time, on top of waking up late, whose faults are those? I'm just saying. Last stop for our half circle tour is the waterfall. What's half the gold? Hey. AU's gold.
It was funny.
No.
So a circle is what we did. Cool.
Oh.
We did half of it. I'm funny, honey.
We are at the Gulfis. Ooh, this is pretty icy. Yeah. That's amazing. Me and Maya came extra prepared with some ponchos. Because it's raining out here. To get to the plane crash, I'm about to put this away because it's raining. You gotta walk about 30 minutes. Like we can't even see it from here at all. So, to the plane crash. So cars over there. We're still walking over there. I feel like we're halfway. Yeah.
Excuse me, do you guys know how much longer we have?
Now you have around half an hour more or less.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay,
Walking.
it's like all the way.
And be careful because I don't know at what time is the sunset.
Oh, nobody
Because you
knows.
have half an hour, then I suppose then you will be you
Walking
wanna
back.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
If you want to take some pictures, it will take
Longer.
45 minutes at least.
Yeah, because of a lot of people.
A lot of people, and I think most of them think that the plane is mine, and I want to take the best picture. So
Yeah. Okay.
okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Can't even see where we walked from. See mountains in the back. Maya. But I see the plane. You guys can't see it yet. I don't see the plane, but I see people on top of it. Anyway, we gotta go there, spend some time, watch the water, take our flinkers, and then walk back to the car before the sunset. I'm pregnant, y'all. We made it! Oh yeah, that's what it is. So you're missing one part. We conquered. Oh, it's starting to get really cold out here. Now we gotta trek it back. Woo! In total, it took us 45 minutes to walk here. Could because I have a little wobble going on. I am preggers, but I think that's about the average time. 35 to 45 minutes. It's a long walk. I mean, a long ass walk. So, but now we're gonna try to beat the sun. We have to get back to beat the sun, or else we're gonna be in the vast landscape that Maya's scared of.
No, for real. We can't. Oh my God, now we have to go.
This was Iceland. I mean, like this is Iceland in 3 days. We did. I feel like we did a lot. I mean, we did the basics a lot, and you know, got everything we kind of wanted to do for the 3 days done.
Yeah.
It was just some things that we couldn't do, but it was like, okay.
We did a lot for the 3 days.
Yeah, we did a lot for 3 days. It's like here, the plane landed on a beach. Yeah, we might not make it to the black sand beach, but we saw a beach with black sand. It's another black sand beach. Yeah, we may not make it to the natural hot springs that's free, but
we already went to the Blue Lagoon.
Exactly. We already went to the lagoon. So if you have time, I'd say.
I hate walking up hills. Can I run? It makes me feel like I just cannot.
Go run.
Bye, gotta stop.
Watch her stop. Watch. Oh, she's still going. Maya, don't fall. This bus, like we thought it was a tour. This bus literally has passed us like 3 times. And now we finally figured out that it's a shuttle bus. We walk, I'm so out of breath. Lips dry. We've walked like 45 minutes each way. This is a shuttle bus. The plane wreck shuttle bus. What the fuck? No! No! He said, y'all should have read the signs, huh?
Emoji.
Yeah, that's his emoji. Should have read about it. That's crazy. It's getting dark now. Me and Maya want to see this waterfall that you can climb to the top, but she's too cold, so she's staying in the car. And because it's about to turn into nighttime, she's a little scary, you know? My sister's scary, y'all. But I don't even know if I can make it up these stairs. I'm about to ask these people. I'm almost to the top. Oh my goodness. It's been almost 15 minutes. I've been taking breaks at every little platform. I mean, this video does the waterfall no justice whatsoever. Said, no way, I'm not coming up there with you. So we just got back into town, into Reykjavik, the actual like city part. This is actually our first time coming over here since we've been out in Iceland. Everything for the most part is, yeah, it is raining. Everything for the most part is closed except like the bars and restaurants and little souvenir shops. But it's really cute. I wish I could show you guys more. It's dark. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can on here. But we're just looking for something to eat because we gotta leave for the airport at like 4 in the morning to return our rental car and be at the airport on time and stuff. So just trying to eat and then go back and pack and get ready for Patty. Patty. All right.
Ice. What kind of ice? Thin ice.